Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to practice a few questions from the rotation topic. I have a worksheet that you can see on your screens. The first question is about rotate the triangle uh, 90-degree clockwise about the point A. This is point A. What we have to do, we have to rotate our object, which is a triangle, 90-degree in a clockwise direction. First of all, we let's have a little recap on the clockwise direction. What is clockwise direction? Clockwise is the direction in which the needle of the clock rotates, and anti-clockwise is the direction in which the needle of the clock never rotates. Understood? So this is the clockwise, and this is anti-clockwise. So what we have to do, we have to rotate this object, this triangle, about the point A. This is point A. So easy. What we have to do, I'll be just calculating the base 1, 2, 3. As when it rotates 90-degree, obviously this base will become the length like this, 1, 2, 3 units, and then this this length will become the base, which is 1, 2 unit boxes, and when we join them it will look like this. Question number 2 is rotate the triangle 180-degree about the point B. Okay, these questions can be done, specifically this question number 2 question can also be done by using the carbon paper or by using the graph paper. How? What we have to do, we have to place a tracing paper on this grid, which you can see right here. We have to trace that, we have to trace this triangle, and then after tracing, put a pencil on this point and then rotate the tracing paper uh, 80-degree. When you rotate it, then the object where it land, that will be the 180-degree position of 180-degree about the point B. So this question can also be done like this. For example, they are saying that we have to rotate this. So in simple, that if just suppose I have placed a tracing paper on this, so then I will trace this shape, and then I have to rotate this object. When I rotate this, okay, we don't say clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction for 180-degree, because if it is 180 and you are asked to rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise, it will give you the same thing, it will give you the same position. Understood? So there is nothing to be confused about the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction for specifically only 180-degree. Understood? Okay, so when I rotate this object by putting my pencil on this point B, this will form as, this image will form as like this. Okay, same thing is in the question number 4, and it says that rotate the trapezium 90-degree anti-clockwise about the origin. So now the anti-clockwise is in the direction in which the needle of the clock never rotates. I mean the opposite direction of the needle. Understood? So what we have to do, the same practice. Now they haven't they have mentioned that the origin. So obviously this is the origin where x-axis and y-axis both are 0, 0. So the best practice for this is what I will do. I will take a trace paper. I will place it on the grid. I will place it on this grid. I will correctly drawn. Okay, after tracing a trapezium, what I will do, I will rotate my uh, tracing paper in the anti-clockwise direction. I mean in this direction, 90-degree. So this side, this side, this side, let's suppose 1 2 3 4. This side 1 will move toward side 2, and side 2 will move toward side 3, and side 3 will move toward side 4, and so side 4 will move toward side 1. And then the image that will be formed will look like this. The new image will look like this.